Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where headphones are not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sounds. Now make sure that the correct headphones are selected here because when you connect a 3.5 jack device, be it headphone, speaker, anything, it will be connecting to the normal speaker set of the computer. It will replace it, and if it is connected to any other means like a USB, then you will have to select this option. And if these are Bluetooth headphones, then you will have to go to Bluetooth and devices and check if it is connected through a receiver or directly. Okay, so you need to make sure that the correct ones are selected, and you can change the radio buttons accordingly. Now once this has been fixed, once this part has been isolated, either there's a hardware defect with the headphones which can be confirmed by connecting it to a different device, or you can update the drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, right click on it and select update drivers and update all of these drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.